Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Binance account to Trust Wallet. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, then go to your wallet section, and here go to your fiat and spot wallet. Here type the currency or crypto of your choice and select the crypto that you want to send. Suppose you want to send BTC to your Trust Wallet. So we will select withdraw on Binance. And here we need address. So for that we will just go to our Trust Wallet, and here we will click on receive, and we will select BTC. Then we will click on this option of copy address and paste it on Binance, and network will be selected on its own. And after that just type the amount that you want to withdraw from your Binance to your Trust Wallet. And you can also select the wallet of your choice if you want to send from spot wallet or funding wallet. And after that just click on withdraw, and this way you will be able to send money from your Binance account or crypto from your Binance account to your Trust Wallet. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.